的这种合作经验中国创业嘛，都参与收购少对些呢，工作也最强生活考虑，车上开发经济搞定第一套。
工商电话一线路部，他们在天天生活全部超给贵春高级在过卡线点了。
国家的新的工商超给春高了，这些得来等，突击企业学习人。
让路工厂建筑党。西路工厂江岸收配备，中国七八级地当你们的啦。各种集站党，我公跟中国啦是送过的，我们不把的。
Wishing you a happy birthday.
Laura and I send our very best wishes on your 85th birthday. I admire you, I care for you, and I love you.
May His Holiness's birthday bring happiness, joy, and a year filled with peace and security for all Tibetans and for the world. Happy birthday, Your Holiness.
We wanted to see you active for at least 100 years. Make your century.
We wish you stay healthy and all the best for the future.
Thank you and happy birthday.
His Holiness the Dalai Lama, the saint of the century.
And happy birthday and best wishes to His Holiness.
I wish you a great birthday.
Greetings from Oslo, Norway, and blessings on your 85th birthday.
May his teachings, his influence, his practice continue to spread and grow in the years that are to come.
And may he continue for long ahead to be a voice of reason, of moderation, of peace, and of good sense.
I am deeply honored to extend my respectful greetings for long life and good health to His Holiness the Dalai Lama on his 85th birthday.
Your Holiness, thank you so much for inspiring me and millions of people in this planet.
Esperamos y deseamos que sean muchos más cumpleaños.
85歳のお誕生日おめでとうございます。
My warmest greetings on the occasion of his 85th birthday.
再次祝福尊者生日快乐，健康长寿。
I send you this message of good wishes and prayers that your cause may be realized in your lifetime.
Happy birthday to His Holiness the Dalai Lama.
Sua Santidade Dalai Lama, não apenas quero fazer chegar minhas congratulações.
祝达赖喇嘛85岁生日快乐。
You are an awesome gift for all people, from all nations, from all religions.
And I really hope you can return to a free Tibet very, very soon.
If you truly love me, then keep in your mind my 3 commitments. And whatever way, you see, wherever you live, try to create compassionate atmosphere. So if you practice, if you pay more attention, that's best gift for my birthday.